up, beautiful people? In today's video, I'm about to show you how you can be able to earn someone's monthly salary within 15 minutes. All right, yes, I'm about to show you how you can earn someone's monthly salary within 15 minutes trading cryptocurrency. Now wait, before you scroll out of this video, I want to let you know that you don't need to know how to trade cryptocurrency before you can be able to earn money using this simple method I'm about to show us in today's video. I'm going to put us in a platform where you can easily copy and paste, fold your hands, and you earn money for yourself. You can do this as a student, you can do this as a stay-at-home mom, you can do this whether you are a 9-to-5 worker. All you need is just your smartphone and a stable internet connection. The next thing I want you to do is to click the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you are about to get into this video. And if you're here to join this beautiful family, we're about hitting 3,000 subscribers. How cool is that? Join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we drop some content just like this one you're watching. So should in case you are coming across my channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to earn money online and offline. So do well to join the beautiful family by smashing the subscription button. Now with all this being said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Now I'm going to show you my first earning from the platform, as you can see on the screen right now, and I'm also going to show you my second earning, as you can also see showing on the screen right now. And in today's video, I'm going to place a live withdrawal, right? And I'm going to take us through step by step how you can be able to navigate and earn this money for yourself. The first step is to show you how you can be able to get registered using this platform. The second step is to show you the things you need to do in order to earn money for yourself. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how you can be able to make your withdrawal, right? Now the sweetest part of this is making money online is one thing and being able to withdraw your earning is another thing. All right, now stay tight as I take you through step by step. Let's go, guys. So guys, this is the platform we are going to be making use of in order to earn someone's monthly salary within 15 minutes. You know, I'm saying this, but it will look like a joke, but at the end of this video you will definitely see how we are going to be making someone's monthly salary within 15 minutes. So this is the platform we're making use of, and I'm going to go ahead and click over here that says mine. All right, so once I click on mine to bring me over to this interface, when you look over here you will see my total balance, which is 172.15 TRS. All right, so we're going to check how much 172 TRS is in naira. All right, so let's go, guys. So 172 TRS is equivalent to 37,300 naira, as you can see over here, 37,300 naira. And believe me, some persons are making 37,000 naira as their monthly salary every single month, and believe me, some people are also making less than 37,000 naira every single month. All right, so let's go back to the platform in order to make a live withdrawal. Okay, so let's go, guys. So this is the platform, and I'm going to go ahead and click over here that says withdraw. Okay, this is withdraw. Okay, so I'm going to click on withdraw and then type in over here the amount I would want to withdraw. But before typing in the amount I would want to withdraw, I'm going to go to my Bybit account, okay, and then copy my TRS address, paste it inside here. All right, then go ahead and input how much TRS I would want to withdraw. Okay, so after that I will go ahead and type in my password and then click on withdraw, which is over here, and then get my TRS withdrawn to my Bybit wallet. So let's go, guys. Let me go and copy my TRS wallet address. Stay with me, guys. So guys, I've copied my TRS wallet address and I've pasted it inside here. So I'm going to scroll down to type in the amount I would want to withdraw. So I'm going to type in 152 TRS. All right, so I'll be leaving 20 TRS in order to continue my trading and keep on earning money for myself. Okay, so I've typed how much I would want to withdraw, so I'm going to go ahead to click over. So when you look over here, you see that they are going to charge you 1 TRS as a network fee, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click over here that says withdraw. All right, so I click on withdraw and then I'm going to type my withdrawal password, which is over here. Okay, I'm going to type in my withdrawal password. Guys, I'm done typing my withdrawal password, so I'm going to go ahead and click over here that says confirm. Okay, so I've clicked on confirm and it says submitted successfully. All right, so I'm going to go to my Bybit wallet in order to see whether I'm able to receive this 152 TRS. Okay, so as you can see over here, my balance has gone down to 20 TRS, right? So I will be using this 20 TRS to keep on trading and then accumulate to up to 100 and something, or probably 200 and something TRS, and also withdraw to my Bybit wallet. So guys, this is my Bybit account, and as you can see over here, this is the withdrawal I made, which is 151 TRS. all right, it's supposed to be 152, but due to the 1 TRS network charge, that was the reason why I was able to get 151 TRS. all right, so over here is the first withdrawal I've made from the platform, and this is the second withdrawal I've made from the platform, and here is the last withdrawal I made, which I placed the live withdrawal on this video. all right, so I'm going to go over to show us the registration aspect of the platform, and then after the registration aspect of the platform, I'm going to proceed to show us the things you need to do in order to earn using the platform, and also the withdrawal aspect of the platform, which is the sweetest part of the video. Right, just like I always say, one thing is making money online and another thing is being able to withdraw your money online. So let's go, guys. So once you click on the link I'll be leaving in our WhatsApp group, it will bring you over to this interface for registration. Right now, once you get to this interface, I want you to type in your email address right here. Over here, click here that says get code, and they are going to send a code to your email address. Copy the code and then type it right inside this box. Right now, I want you to click over here to select your country zip code. So if you're in Nigeria, you're going to select +234. right, then over here type in your WhatsApp number by removing the first 0. okay, you have to proceed to go down and then type in your password. Make sure you type in a password you are always going to remember. Then inside this box, type in your withdrawal password. After typing your withdrawal password, I want you to go ahead and click here that said register. all right, so once you are done with the registration and you must have logged in, I want you to go over here in order to verify your KYC. Click here that says mine. So once you click on mine to bring you over to this interface, I want you to proceed and click over here that says KYC auto, okay, to type in or rather verify your KYC. So once you are in this interface, I want you to go ahead and fill in your details, which is select your nationality, your last name, your first name, your date of birth, and then your certificate. When it comes to certificate, I want you to select ID. Probably upload your NIN ID card, and that is how you can be able to activate or verify your KYC. So once you are done typing your details there, I want you to go back and then click over here in order to speak with the customer care for swift verification of your KYC. all right, so once you click on the Telegram icon, it will take you over to their customer care. So once it takes you over to this place, I want you to go ahead and click on the message icon right here in order to speak with the customer care. So once you click on the message icon, I want you to type to the customer care by saying done with KYC, how long does it take? all right, so they are going to show you the process, or rather ask you for your account UID. So once they ask you for your account UID, I want you to go back to the platform and copy your account UID. So I'm going to show you where to copy your account UID. Let's go, guys. So over here is where you can be able to copy your account UID. all right, just click over here in order to copy, then paste it there, and then you are going to verify your KYC, and they are going to give you 5 TRC as a welcome bonus, which is withdrawable. all right, so let's go, guys. So once you are done with the verification of your KYC, the next step is to perform trades in order to earn money and then withdraw it to your crypto wallet address. So how are you going to trade in order to earn money for yourself? First and foremost, you have to join a Telegram channel. Now this Telegram channel is where they are going to be dropping signals that you need to copy and paste on this platform in order to earn money for yourself. So I'll be dropping the link of the Telegram channel in our WhatsApp group, so you have to click the link to join the Telegram channel for the signal. all right, so I'm going to show you how the Telegram channel is and how they send the signal. all right, so let's go, guys. So guys, this is the Telegram channel and this is the signal. okay, when you look over here, you will discover that this is the signal. all right, which the first one here says the next round, and this is the phase which you are going to dictate the particular trade you will be entering, and this is what you need to choose or select, which is the small, and then the quantity you will be able to be using. right, so I'm going to take us over to the platform so you can understand better what I am talking about. So let's go, guys. So back to the platform, the next thing you have to do in order to start the trade or to paste the signal you collected from the group or the Telegram channel is to click over here that says home. So once you click on home, I want you to go over here and click here that says BTC stroke USDT. Okay, so once you click on BTC stroke USDT, it's going to bring you over to this interface. So just ignore this candlesticks you are seeing here. I wouldn't want it to confuse you. Okay, I want you to look over here to see the different timing for the trading. We have 1 minute, we have 5 minutes, we have 15 minutes, 16 minutes, 4 hours, and 1 day. Right now, the one we'll be making use of in today's video is the 1 minute, and that is the one I make use of mostly. Okay, so you have to first of all click on the 1 minute, which is the timing you want to enter the trade, and then when you look over here, you will see the phase. Okay, this is the phase, the number I showed you on the Telegram channel. Okay, this is the phase, which the last three figure is 312. So let's go to the Telegram channel and see if the 312 is here. As you can see over here, this is the 312. Okay, so you expected to select big, and then to the quantity is going to be x2.5, right? So let's go back to the platform. So the next thing you are going to do is to click over here that says buy. So once you click on buy, you are going to select big, which was what we were asked to do. So this is big. Okay, so inside here is where you are going to type in the amount you'll be using for the trade. So let's say 10 TRS. Okay, so once you are done selecting the big, okay, so let's select the big. Over here we're going to type 10 TRS. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on confirm, which is over here. So once you click on confirm, it's going to ask you cancel or trade, so you're going to proceed to click on trade. So once you click on trade, the timing will go down. As you can see over here, it's counting down. So once it's down to 0, you are going to see whether you made profit or you made loss. All right, so the truth is that you are not going to be making profits on a daily basis. Like, it's not going to be like on a daily basis something. You're actually going to be making some loss, right? That is the truth, but you are still going to be making a whole lot of money with this. So in order to minimize loss and maximize your profits, I am going to be giving you guys a bonus tip on my WhatsApp group. All right, do it to use the link I'll be dropping in the video description and also in the comment section. Join the WhatsApp group in order to use the link I'll be posting there to get registered, right? And use the link to join the Telegram channel for the signals and also get my bonus tip where you must have registered and funded your account. Now let's move over to how you can be able to fund your account. All right, so let's go back, and then we have to click over here that says mine. Okay, so once you click on mine to bring you over to this place, so go ahead and click here that says recharge. Okay, so once you click on recharge, it's going to bring you over here. Now we have a generated TRS wallet address, which is over here. So you just have to click here in order to copy. So once you copy it, move over to your Binance, Bybit, Trust Wallet, any platform you can be able to transact crypto, right? Then you have to transfer a certain amount of TRS you will be using to trade. It could be 100, it could be 200, any amount you would want to use to trade. Minimum is 10 TRS. All right, so once you send that 10 TRS or any amount you would want to send over here to trade, I want you to go ahead and click over here that say click to refresh balance. So once you click to refresh balance, it's not going to take more than a minute. Your account will be funded, which you will see over here. All right, so let's say you've funded your account, you've engaged in trade, you've made a whole lot of profit. The next thing is to withdraw. Right now, in order to withdraw, you have to click over here that says withdraw. Right, so once you click on withdraw, it will bring you over to this interface. Then the next thing you are going to do is to copy your Bybit TRS wallet address or your Binance TRS address or your Trust Wallet TRS address, then paste it right inside this box. Right now, once you must have pasted it in the box, the next thing you are going to do is to come over here and then type in the amount you would want to withdraw, which is over here. You can type in the amount you would want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw the whole money you have in this platform, just go ahead here and click on the max. So once you are done typing the amount, I want you to go over here and click on withdraw. Right, so once you click on withdraw, the next thing is to type in your withdrawal password, and that's all. Within some minutes, you are going to get it right straight in your Binance account or your Bybit account or your Trust Wallet account or any platform you are using to transact crypto. Right, so this is what I have for you guys in today's video. Right, do well to use the link I'll be dropping in the description of this video, and also in the comment section. Join our WhatsApp group. Right, I'll be dropping the link for this platform in our WhatsApp group, and I'm also going to drop the link to join the Telegram channel for the signals in order to engage in this trade. The only thing you need is just to copy and paste. Copy and paste. All right, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a live trade that I did. Right, so stay tuned and watch the live trade that I made. All right, it's not going to take time. Type in the amount you want to use to trade in that, click on trade, and then it's write success trade. As you can see over here, this is my balance, and this is going to be the countdown. So once the time counts down to 0, my balance is going to increase if I made profit. So we're going to look at it to see if my balance will increase. As you can see, my balance is 39 TRS, so the balance just increased to 49 TRS. So you have to go back to the group again to refresh in order to see another trade. So once another trade comes up, you are going to go back to the platform again to engage in the trade. So this is how you are going to do it. I'm sure you enjoyed this video, so why don't you use 3 seconds of your time to click the like button in appreciation of the value you got into this video. And if you're yet to join this awesome family, do it to click the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. All right, now use the link I'll be leaving in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join our WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop the link to the platform, all right, and also the Telegram channel where you will be getting the signals you will be copying and pasting and be earning money for yourself. So click the link to join our WhatsApp group, and I'll be waiting for you over there. All right, keep winning and always know that Leo loves you. And until next time I see you again, comrades, bye.